Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number 1, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basic to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business, so then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the help of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have, then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these 3 rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, now I'm going to review a financial modeling course offered by NISM, National Institute of Security Market. So the course name is Certificate Program in Financial Analytics. Okay, so if I deep down to this particular website, so what you are going to learn, so there will be 160 hours plus learning through online classes, tutorials, practice session and recorded videos will be provided in the following areas, like introduction to the financial market, quantitative methods in finance, financial modeling and portfolio analysis, risk management and derivative, credit risk analytics, valuation and risk modeling. Okay, so this is basically the kind of curriculum that you will be learning in this course. So if I go down to, so this program has been designed for students who wants to begin their career in the area of financial analytics, or it is also ideal for the professional who want to learn financial analysis to make their decision more efficient, customer centric and cost effective. So this program is best for the students who are looking to switch careers, gain hands-on experience working in the financial analytics, finance professional looking to specialize in the financial data analytics, student pursuing degrees in the finance, economics or business analytics or related fields, anyone who's interested in analyzing their own financial data to make informed investment decisions and manage personal finances. So now we'll be looking at so what else is covered in this. So what would be the program assessment and schedule? So the performance of the participant is assessed on a continuous evaluation. Evaluation is through quizzes, submission, projects, etc., as may be indicated by the concerned faculty member. So at the end of the program, so participants will be awarded with grades in certificate of completion. So 75% of attendance is mandatory in each module. So talking about the schedule, so the program will be delivered in online mode. So the class timing will be 7 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. on Friday. So this will be 2 hours with 15 minutes of break. And on Saturday, so this is going to be 6 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. So this is going to be 3 hours and with a 15-minute break. Okay. So each module will contain about 20 hours of sessions. Okay. So then the selection criteria. So in case you want to get enrolled for this course, so your selection will be based on online screening test. So the syllabus of screening test is as follows: concept of profit and loss account, simple interest and compound interest, basics of finance, elementary statistics and data interpretation, differentiation, estimation. So duration of this assessment will be 1 hour. Okay, so timing will be communicated later. Okay, so this is the entire process. So talking about the fee of this particular course, so you'll be paying somewhere around 90,500. Okay, so yeah, so this is basically the details related to this particular course. Okay, so if we talk about if they are covering anything related to the internship or the placement, so they have not mentioned on their website. Okay, so now basis the details that we have looked into this particular course, so I'm going to rate this particular course based on certain parameters which are listed on the left. Okay, so if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a very good course. Excel skills that you will be learning in this course. So live sessions will be there, live doubt session they have not specifically talked about. So internship support is missing in this course, placement support will be missing in this course. Course fee will be on the higher side, course duration will be good, money back guarantee they have not talked about, LMS access is something that you will be getting in this course. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 5 out of 10. Okay, so in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling or investment banking, I can suggest a better financial modeling course which comes with a complete package which covers all the aspects that you expect from any financial modeling course. Okay, so I'm going to provide the details related to that course in the description box. Okay, please check that out in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end. So please feel free to ping me in the comment section, so I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.